We would actually think of more locking in income in thinking about the credit quality curve. So, for example, you can get fantastic income. You can achieve 6, 7, 8% hurdles in investment grade corporate bonds, in high yield corporate bonds. People are surprised sometimes when I explain to them that this century the high yield corporate index has performed equivalently to broad U.S. large cap stocks for 60% of the risk. People are surprised when I tell them that the fallen angels as an index, if you think of it as an asset class on its own, has outperformed equities by 2-3% in that period per annum. You know, these are largely double B quality bonds with a default rate sub 2% per year. These are very, very strong balance sheet companies that if one can invest in them in a diversified manner, you can reduce that complexity on your horizon, you can reduce the duration, and you can really go for consistent, reliable income that can boost your overall portfolio.
All right. Well, didn't know that about fallen angels. Paul, AT1s, I mean, obviously, post-March, the collapse of SVB, Signature, FRC, et cetera, they cratered, right? They've come back. Are they worth the risk now?
AT1s were a little bit tricky. I think the whole market was thrown a bit of a curveball there with the details and the prospectus probably evading a lot of investors. That after the crisis is the best time to invest in something that we would think, because now people are looking more closely at it. Having said that, is it worth the risk? We would say yes, as long as it's diversifying. So the key is don't put all your eggs in one basket. You know, there are always surprises, either that one is not astute enough to see or that one just cannot forecast. I would say probably very few people forecasted correctly the sub-regional bank crisis, and certainly very few people, as we can see in the marketplace, forecasted an event like the Credit Suisse AT1s. So certainly we would say that the focus here should be on diversification. If you can diversify, then the risk is certainly worth the investment.